Hello students and parents, welcome back to my channel Fun Learning with Shomita. Students, you know that one of my previous science tutorial videos I explained the chapter safety and first aid, and in that video I showed you a homemade first aid box, and today I am going to show you how we can make that kind of first aid box in home with some easily available ingredients for domestic use or for any school project or exhibition. And if you are liking my videos, then definitely give it a big like and share and subscribe my channel so that I will get inspiration for making more and more this useful videos for you, and hit the bell icon for first notification. So let's get started. The ingredients preferred to do this artwork are, first of all, a normal shoe box. I preferred here one side open and one side attached this kind of shoe box, which will be more easier with that to do. And poster color, white cardboard, scissor, gum, brush, pencil and white chart paper. These are the simple ingredients required for this artwork. First, I have to cover this cardboard box with white color chart paper. From all the sides I have to cover this with white color chart paper, from outside also and from inside also. I have to cover this with white color chart paper according to the size. I have to cut small pieces for the inside portion and outside also, that like I have to cover this. See, I covered the box, total box, with white chart paper, and now I will go to the next step. Now in this step I have to make a locking system for the first aid box, and for that I took here one rectangular shape cardboard and I am drawing the shape of the lock here. And I have to cut according to this shape from outside also and from inside also. Now see, my cutting is finished and the locking system shape will be like this. The shape of the lock will be like this, and I will keep this aside. And after that I have to take another little bit thin rectangular shape of cardboard, and for with that I will make the nose of the lock, and I have to here mark 3 straight lines here, and according to these 3 straight lines I have to fold it in this. According to these 3 straight lines I have to fold the cardboard. Now you can see the cutting is finished, and I folded this cardboard according to these 3 straight lines in a zigzag manner. See, the folding will be like this, and this nose will be the locking system's nose, and these 2 sides I have to attach with the body of the first aid box, and this one I have to attach with the cover of the first aid box. Now I have to attach this nose at here at the center of the box, and the locking system I have to attach here with sellotape. Now see, I attach the lock here with sellotape. And here the nose I attached here with also sellotape, and then this like you can lock the box. Now at the top portion of the box I have to write first aid box. I am writing here directly with red color sketch pen, and then I will color it with poster color. You can write with pencil first, because if shapes are not coming properly, then you can erase it. I am writing this directly with red color sketch pen, and after that I will fill it with poster color. Just below the first aid box writing, you have to draw this like red cross or plus sign. You know that in medical instruments this like sign you have to use, and you can draw this like of sign in the both side and back side of the box also, and we have to color that with red color paint. Now you can see my first aid box is ready, and I painted here with red color the cross sign, and first aid box I wrote with red color, and I draw this like plus sign and the left side and the right side also. So, and here I attach the locking system also. So my first aid box is ready now. Now students, you all know the utility of a first aid box. It should be present in everybody's house, because if any kinds of cut, wounds or burns, we will give the first treatment through this first aid box. So whatever ingredients for the first aid is available in your home, that you should keep in this first aid box: antiseptic lotion, thermometer, burning ointment, surgical tape, cotton, and all kinds of ingredients you have to write here in one list at the cover of the first aid box. I hope the procedure explained by me will be helpful for you, and you should also make in your home this like first aid box for domestic use only, or for any science project or exhibition. Bye students, and bye parents.